Here we are. Towards the base of Meeker. Let's see where Pete is. Pete is down there somewhere. Yeah, I can see the valley pretty good down here. Again, we have Chris and Laura and Sandra right ahead of me. Oh yeah, you're on video. What? It's kind of a grunt. I'll be fine. It's a nice little snowfields on the right. And there's Long's Peak on our right too. Going up to Sugar Rock Walls. Meeker on the left here. Spires out and we're going to go across that ridge line. Adios for now.